Hello, Sarah Cordiner here, author of the 365 Social Media Post Ideas for Massive Business Engagement. This is basically a 400 plus page book that includes a social media prompt specifically designed for small business owners. It's aimed to give you content ideas that are going to help you increase your followers, your fans, and ultimately your fortune by giving you content that's going to help you increase your engagement, create better and deeper relationships with those that are following you, and of course, turn those people into buyers too. Now, I'll just give you a sneak peek of what you've got inside this book. There is a little bit of a pre-discussion as to how to better connect with your and engage with your audience and really turn those people into fans and followers. And then basically for every single day of the year, you have a prompt and you have a planning section of exactly how you're going to turn that prompt from just being passive content into something that people will most engage with, and how you will use that as an opportunity to actually make a sale and convert people into customers as well. So it's a very interactive book. It's a very practical book. The second you download this, you will be able to print it. It will download as a PDF, and that means that you have full permission to print this book, use it for your own purposes, write in it, plan it, and of course you can use this year after year after year. So you'll have yourself an amazing asset that's going to help your business just grow and grow and grow. I really hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, do feel free to email me. Otherwise, have fun growing your fans and your followers, and of course your fortune with this amazing resource. And it's only $11 if you grab it today. And at the moment, it's actually listed on Amazon for $27.99. You are getting yourself an absolute bargain if you grab it today. Can't wait to hear your thoughts and your feedback. See ya.